Hello, this is Mr. Molo with your lesson for either Tuesday, September 8th or Thursday, September 10th, depending on which cohort you're in. So if you're in cohort 1, then I saw you on Tuesday and Wednesday, so this is your lesson for Thursday. And if you're in cohort 2, I haven't seen you yet, and today's the first day of school, so you're going to look at the Tuesday, September 8th folder. So let's pretend that today's my first day of school and we're in cohort 2, so Tuesday, September 8th. So hopefully you've already done this and created an account for big ideas, because there's going to be an assignment in there on Wednesday. So cohort 1 people shouldn't have an issue with that because they already did it. All right, but your project for today is to create a coat of arms. Okay, and if you don't know what a coat of arms is, I have a little explanation in here. I'm going to download this to make it easier. Okay, so a coat of arms is a symbol of your family's identity and values. And it was originally used so that you could identify each warrior. So it kind of had a shield on it. This way you knew who it was. So here's an example. If you were Ray Lewis for the Baltimore Ravens, so he has some purple and black on there. And he also has his college color, so things that are important to him. Okay, here's one that's a little more complicated. You're probably used to seeing something more like this. Maybe the lions mean something, maybe the red means something, maybe the white means something. Those are your favorite colors. And then you'll see inside the coat of arms, they even have, a book there, some kind of bird. It looks like tennis rackets, so things that are important to this person. Okay, so the rest of this is kind of just telling you how to make it. So you can either make it digitally, or you can actually use a sheet of paper and actually draw it on there, print off pictures and put them on there. Okay, so here's how you would make it. Blank sheet of paper, fold it in half. Okay, and then you're kind of drawing your lines there for it. So there's the next couple pages are just going to be on how to actually make it. Okay, and then this is what's going to be on your design. So I want your first and last name on there. This way I know who it belongs to. And on a real coat of arms, you probably just have your last name in the middle or something. Okay, and then on the top left corner, your interest, your hobbies, and a little bit about yourself. So my interests, if this was Mr. Mola filling it out, so my interests are math, sports, spending time outside and with my family. Okay, your goals, your hopes and dreams for the future, this year and beyond. So for me, it's to continue to learn in my field, so math, and to help my students and community, and I like to travel. And then people who support you in both of the above, so your parents, your family, your friends. And how will this class help you in your future? Okay, so to improve my skills and understanding of the world, career, and graduation would be my goal for it. You can write whatever you would like for it. Okay, so then there's a page summarizing all those 4 things that you would need to make on your coat of arms. And then if we go back into Schoology, we will see that I have 2 options for you there. I thought probably a Word document might be easier. This way you can actually edit it, but on there's a Word document, and I put 2 different coat of arms on there, so you get to pick if you want it with the lines there already separating it, or if you want it just open like this one. So, but as long as you have those 4 things on there for the design, then that's all that you should need. So there's your 4 things. So first hour or cohort 1 kids, again, you're doing this on Thursday once I've seen you for a couple days. Cohort 2 kids, you are doing this the first day of school.